Shinchev, Smisha Gillespie Machgerigish. I'm Gillespie, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach. Agus Hamirash an Signilan Skia Hanoch. I'm back in the Isle of Skye, this soggy, misty, wet island. It's a bad afternoon. This phrase in Gaelic, I talk about getting rid of English words and sounds. Also, I want you to get rid of English names from your Gaelic, because I hear one all the time here when people say, for example, it's a bad afternoon. She Fisker Donna a hown. Who's Donna? Donna is not the word. In Gaelic, it's very distinct and different in many subtle ways. The word for bad in Gaelic is donna. Donna. Several things you should be able to hear there. It's a much shorter word. It's snappier. The D is different. It's not an English palatal D, donna, donna. It's a Gaelic dental D, donna. The vowel quality is different. Because of the initial stress in Gaelic, the A at the end is not an open A. It's slightly more closed sound. That mid-vowel. So we put that together and we get donna. She Fisker donna hown. And notice too, when we put that in a phrase, donna becomes done. And it elides, flows with the rest of the sentence. She Fisker donna hown. For more tips on how to engage with authentic, flowing, natural Gaelic, subscribe to my channel.